Hello, my resilient physics students. Let's talk about what needs to be accomplished this week. We're almost there. We are getting towards the end. So there's a couple things that need to be accomplished this week, and there's some important decisions that you need to make as well. So let me show you. So if you head over to our physics class on Canvas, the first thing that you're going to notice on the top of the page is that I have this physics pass grade request form. Okay, so I need each of you to fill out this form, and know that if you are not filling out the form, then I'm just going to give you the letter grade that you've earned on Power School. But if you want that grade changed to a pass instead of the letter, then you need to get this filled out on or before May 8th. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. So when you click on the link, it'll take you to the form. Okay. And it's going to ask for your name, your email, and now here's the dilemma that we have. So I need this form. The district has asked that you let me know, and I'm using this form for you to let me know if you want your grade changed to a pass by May 8th. Okay, but that means that we still have a little time before your final grade's going to be posted. So you may have an idea of what your grade's going to be, but you might not be 100%. So I've given you a couple options here. I sent you an email, I think it was end of this last week, somewhere in there, about your grades. So your grade is either going to be an A, a B, a C, or a pass. And then the last option is no credit instead of an F. Okay, so if you just want a normal letter grade, then your options are A, B, C, whatever you earn there. If you want that letter grade changed to a pass, which gives you credit for the class but doesn't hurt or help your GPA, then you need to let me know on this form. If you haven't done any work or you only have done a couple of assignments, then you're going to receive a no credit grade instead of an F. So the good news with the no credit is it doesn't hurt your GPA, but you still have to retake this quarter to get credit for the course. So you're going to just make some predictions here, and you're going to say, well, if I have an A, then I want to keep the A. But if my grade turns out that I have a B, then I want to change that to a pass instead. Or it turns out I have a C, then I want that changed to a pass. And then if there's anything else that you want me to know about your grade, type that in. Like if you have more specific ranges of like B plus or A minus or C plus, let me know that there. Okay, so then you'll submit that form, make sure your name and email are on it, and then I can make those changes to your grade when we get to the end of the quarter. Okay, so that's the first thing that needs to be accomplished. The next thing that needs to be accomplished is you are going to take your Unit 9 quiz. So we've done Unit 8, and now we're moving on to Unit 9. Okay, so Unit 9 quiz here at the bottom, same as before, so let's talk through this. It's open notes, so this reading that you've done and the notes that you took during that reading, use them while you take this quiz, okay? And then the next thing I want you to know is for any of the questions that you get wrong, if you email me test corrections, which remember, corrections are not just telling me the correct answer, they're explaining the correct answer, then I will give you half of your missing points back. If at that point you're still not happy with your grade, then with that reply email to your corrections, I will give you the code in order for you to retake the quiz. Okay? So you still have options to do corrections and a retake on this quiz, but save yourself the headache and study for it and get your grade where you need it to be for the first attempt. It'll just save you a headache and time. Okay? It's going to be one of the last main things that we're doing for your grade. So know that you can always turn in any late work or test corrections or any of those items to boost up your grade, and just communicate with me if you have any questions or concerns or problems. Okay, guys. Well, again, let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email and I'll talk to y'all next week.